Hello friends. So I think you are doing well at home. So this is Aditya sir here. Last time we were discussing what tertiary and the quaternary activities. The seventh session already cleared, and some few parts have left regarding tourism and other some activities belongs to tertiary and the quaternary activities. So we will discuss in this session 8. This is session 8, chapter number 7, tertiary and the quaternary activities. So when we are discussing these tertiary activities, tertiary actually people are preferred for the service. Generally, people do service. Okay. So in this tertiary activity, one another activity is there which we consider as the tertiary activity, which gives actually most amount of the income. So our activity is activity ki kore amak all of basically income diye. I mean generally income pao, and not only for income, that is also for the recreational purpose. Ito amar freshman and refreshment hobo karone is okay. So that is called tourism. Tourism. Eto ki boli koy porjoton boli koy. Okhomia koy porjoton. Okay. So tourism actually India's most number of tourists are actually for medical purpose. In India, yes. Okay. In India, generally tourists comes for the medical purpose. So that's why India is day by day becoming a medical hub. That means in terms of medical, India is day by day growing. Okay. And next is that the tourism affects by so many factors like demand, like the historic places, density of the populations, network and transportation facilities, then heritage site. Depends on any other this religious site. So that means what tourists have different types of factors. Both kini karok ase jibur karoke manubila akroshon kore. Mane porjotok bilakok bele dekhor pora akroshon kore. Okay. So generally the tourism in Mediterranean region. Ami khunisu Mediterranean region kotha. In Mediterranean region generally, where is Mediterranean region? In the periphery of the Mediterranean Sea. Okay. So in the periphery of the Mediterranean Sea, what are the different countries? Greece is there. We know Greece is the historic site. Actually, most of the people they spend their holidays. They actually like to spend their holidays in the Mediterranean region. Why? Because Mediterranean region actually unique type of climate. Dry summer, wet winter. Generally, climate is tropical. Tropical means not that too much hot. That means not never exceed 40 degrees Celsius. Not too much cold, never below, means beyond the 18 degrees Celsius or below like that. So that means what? For holiday purpose, generally when people get the vacation, যেতিয়া মানুহৰ vacation আহে বা যেতিয়া মানুহৰ কাম বজাৰ পৰা ছুটি পায়, তেতিয়া generally সেইটো প্লেছত যাব বিচাৰে. From the India also most of the tourists are here in that side. From Germany, France, Belgium, United Kingdom, USA. Actually Germany belongs to that country, and Germany is the most populous country in Europe. Europe is the populous country is Germany. So that's why actually what those places are climatically advanced. Those places are historically they are actually famous. Those places can give the means large amount of refreshment. That means more amount of excitement. So that actually places people always goes to means prefer to for tourism. So তেওঁলোকে কি কৰে নিজৰ holidays খিনি তা spend কৰিব কাৰণে যায় আৰু actually that is what for recreational purpose. So generally country Greece and Athens. Okay. Sardinia. Generally this is an island country. Italy. We know Italy is what is the capital of Italy? Italy capital to Rome. Why Rome is famous? Rome is under Pope. Pope. Actually Rome is ruled by the Pope. Pope actually it was given during the time of that Otto and Bismarck, when actually at that time Cold War was going on. So at that time what happens? No, Rome was given to the Pope. Why Rome was given to the Pope? Rome Rome kyo di dile? Because Rome is a religious site. That Christianity actually they started from the Rome. Rome pora ki hoise Christianity to start hoise. Generally Christianism to duta bhagot bhag kora hoy. Kiot bhag kora hoy? One is Catholic, another is the Protestant. Okay, Catholic to give us Catholic actually they depends upon several God. Belek God of worship kore. And Protestant ki only for one God. God is only. Who is that God? Jesus. Okay, Jesus is a God. Telugu about Jico Christo ki telugu ki kore worship kore. That means what? So Rome is under the etio mane Rome over Hakon Sole. Or telugu generally Rome is considered as a religious site. I mean religious site is a ami ki koru. Ami Rome kami consider koru. So Italy then other countries there again we can tell Spain country is also this. Then Germany, Hungary capital is Budapest. Okay, Austria is there. Austrian capital is Vienna. Generally these countries are actually what they are actually forward in terms of tourism. Tourism regarding countries like both big countries. Generally we go to the USA also. Okay, some western countries. Again, eastern countries we go to Singapore. Okay, so western countries generally California. Okay, Hollywood is there. Actually, people prefers to go there. So, because actually tourism industry only for just roaming on the people. So, but this tourism industry actually some factors are also there. Moi bole koisu there is some factors ase jibla factors ki kore amar akorshon kore means we are being attracted. Okay, ami discuss kori factors bilakor kotha. Factors affecting tourism. Okay, tourism or ami factors la kami discuss kore. Number 1 is demand. Okay, so next number 2 is transport and communication. Number 3 is availability of recreational site. So what is this recreational site availability? That means we know that in Singapore or in that Malaysia means about 2000 beaches are there, right? That means if the recreational site is there, people generally will go there. So demand means actually if the means population is high, density is high, these recreational available, these things are available. Jodi tala ami bisra bostu bilak ami pao, generally tourism tale jabo. Demand. Suppose India te kise medical demand ase. Amar India kise AIIMS ase. Okay, AIIMS. So other medical science institute. Okay, IMS, Institute of Medical Sciences. So that means what? This for medical purpose people will generally go there. Tale manne jabo. Kior karone kiba eta purpose le manne jai generally for tourism purpose. Next is the transport and communication. Transport communication means wherever transport communication is available. That means different modes of communications like airways, waterways, that is railways, roadways. So that means if these are available, then directly people will go there. So transport communication is the another factor of the tourism. Jode transport communication to bhal thakibo tate manu bilak tale jabo. Or next is the availability of recreational sites. Suppose so in Assam we go to Sibsagar. That means what? Sibsagar historical places is there. Okay, we go to Jagannath Puri, Kanyakumari, Varanasi. That means what? Religious sites are there. So for the religious sites, people actually prefers to go there. That's why people go. So jo jibilak place or religious place bilak thakibo tale manu jabo. Or jodi religious place ba belek activities are karone jai. Generally suppose in Beijing Olympics are going on. So for that Olympics they will go. Okay, in Russia that football World Cup is going on. So for a short period of time they will go there. That means what? Those factors should be there which attract the people. And about this one factors thakibo lagibo jitue manuhok akorshon kore. Okay, so these are called recreational. Recreational means refreshment. Eto ki boli kobo? refresh angle. Okay. Then again another factor is there, landscape. Landscape means beautiful landscape should be there. Chale dunia mane bhal loga monomoha drisho thakibo lagibo. Generally amar osor pajor kot thake Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, so they are generally recreational sites are there. Next is the climate. Climate to bhal hobo climate jolobayu. Okay. যদি আমি বেয়া জলবায়ুৰ ঠাই ৰাখোঁ আমি কেতিয়া নাযাওঁ, ভাল জলবায়ুৰ ঠাই ৰাখোঁ আমি সদায় যাওঁ। গতিকে জলবায়ু সুইচ ক্লাইমেট শুড বি গুড দেয়াৰ। ওকে, সো ফৰ এক্সাম্পল আমি যদি জেনাৰেলি ফৰ এক্সাম্পল আমি ইউজ কৰোঁ যেনে কুৰ্গ, আমি শুনিছোঁ কুৰ্গ ইজ ইন কৰ্ণাটকা, দেন মানালী, ওকে, মিছৌৰী, নাইনিতাল, and Digha in Kolkata. But this is Digha has been affected by our Amphan cyclone. Okay, nowadays Amphan cyclone is going on, severely affected. So yesterday news came 85 people already died and so many places have been affected. Both place affected korise aru bahut mantane morise. Generally jibilak low for mane olop medium means bhal quality jibilak ghor bilak nai turwai loi gise. Okay, so generally Bhubaneswar is a Puri, Jagannath, Varanasi for generally famous for religious site. Okay, and in India actually most number is the medical tourist. Medical tourist is generally people comes for a medical purpose in India. Then we search about the quaternary activities. Two activities has left. Transportation only, this much only is the tourism. Next is the quaternary activities. We'll see what are the different quaternary activities are there. People are involved with. So quaternary activities means those who are actually involved with the something higher than the tertiary activities, like CEO of a company, like executive, bureaucracy, like banking also sometimes come in the quaternary activities. That means what? That is directly related with the R&D. R&D means research and development. You have to remember this things. Okay, quaternary activities are kicking over to CEO of a company. Mane higher level job thake. Job bila generally we care koro quaternary activities we consider koro. That means R&D is research and development. Suppose any other research development is going on. Suppose for a Chandrayaan. Okay. Suppose these are in these days COVID-19 pandemic research is going on. That means COVID-19 for vaccine is research. That means that is in the under the quaternary activities. So those actually those people are highly knowledgeable. Quaternary generally people are skill based. Similar one or skill to okay, highly knowledgeable. Similar one knowledge, similar one higher degree knowledge generally quaternary activities are joined. So highly knowledgeable things or the skill based people are actually related with the quaternary activities. And in India also quaternary activities so many people, because we know that from the primary activities from agriculture, in agriculture actually 70% of the people are dependent on agriculture. That is primary activities. And another image is tertiary and quaternary. So quaternary 10% people are depends on. Okay, 10% people. Again from this 10% again 7% people should be depends on the quinary activities. Okay. Then again here university will also come in quaternary activities. Okay, this was only regarding quaternary activity. Again you see what are there in the quinary activities. So what is there in the quinary activities? Generally when you talk about the quinary activities, there comes actually higher level of decision making or policy making. Okay, when we talk about higher level of decision making or policy making, then what will come? Quinary activities will come. Quinary generally, suppose there is a memorandum, MOU, memorandum of understanding, that will come under the quinary activities. Okay, suppose our security general Ajit Jawahar, he is going to any countries or he is making any other security proposal with the other countries, that is also come in the quinary activities. Generally আমি জানো যেগুলা হায়ার লেভেলত থাকিব ডিসিশন মেকিংস বিলাকৰ বা পলিসি মেকিং পলিসি যেনেকৈ যেগুলা আমি পলিসি বনাও না ফৰ দা ডেভেলপমেন্ট অফ দা ইকোনমি, ডেভেলপমেন্ট অফ দা ফিনান্সিয়াল মার্কেট. Okay, these are the policy. So in that policy making and the this another decision making higher level, in higher level it will come under the quinary activities. And those people are actually involved in this policy making and the decision making. They are called the golden job, golden collar job. Okay, not golden collar job, they are actually called golden collar worker. That means what? Those people have highly experienced and those people have high amount of the degree or highly knowledge based, they will go to the quinary activities. Okay. And here when we are discussing these activities, again one thing we have to discuss, that is called digital divide. Digital divide means digital, when we are discussing about digital generally, we will discuss about the networking communication. That means when we discuss networking communication, generally we discuss the telecommunication, right? Telecommunication, cyberspace, okay, any other internet activities. That means what we have to see in the digital, means digitally how much this country is actually developing step by step. So actually when we are discussing activity, so these activities will also come. Again, what is our actually contribution? Our contribution ki thakibo towards the economy. Okay, simple only, nothing is there to discuss about. So this much only, quaternary, quinary, tertiary activities we have already discussed, and quinary also already we have discussed. This digital divide we have discussed. Okay, so for any query you just give in the feedback session. So this is the end of the chapter. Okay, see you in the next session. Thank you.